this is my sous chef Jack, and we're gonna make Death Star waffles. So first we start with 1 cup of mix.
We probably.
Naughty enough. 3/4 cups of water. 1/4 cup of oil. Then you stir it. And heat up the waffle maker. Add about 1/2 cup of whatever this is. Mix. Spread it around.
That's good, buddy. Now close the lid.
All right.
Buddy would have done one.
So this is a done one, looks like.
Walk over here too, so these guys.
Probably you guys maybe get half because it's like ginormous.
We have strawberries, whipped cream, some chocolate syrup, regular syrup, and some chocolate chips that you can put on.
That's how you make a Death Star waffle. Do you want chocolate syrup? Okay.
Sit down. Look at that spray out.
You should probably shake it first.
Yeah.
Well, which one? This one or that one? Okay.
Yeah. Let it rip. Boom.
There you go.
Anybody else?
There you go. You don't forget. And this concludes our cooking club episode.